left, to the left, to the left. More to the left. More to the left. More to the left. That's good.
Good job, Gary.
To the right, to the right. All right, let's go fast.
Wow!
Let's go fast. Steer to the left. Now steer to the right. Now steer to the left. To the left, to the left. All right. A little more to the left. That's good, that's good. Hold on to it,
Hold on
both
to
hands.
it.
To the left. That's the right. Okay. A little more to the left. Right there, right there, right there, right there.
Good job, Gary. Whoa!
Okay, don't hit the fence. Watch out for the horse. Caballo. Whoa. To the left, to the left, to the left, to the left.
It's okay. When you hit it, we'll tell Mimo to fix it.
Say Mimo hit it.
That's the other way.
Okay, keep going, keep going. All right, start going back to the right. Straighten it out so we don't hit the loading dock.
That's the loading dock?
Yeah, don't hit it.
Watch the front, my dear.
Around the forklift. Okay, to the right, to the right, to the right, to the right, to the right. Harder, harder, harder. Okay, okay, okay. Let's go this way. Over here. All right. Put your hands on there. Now we're going to go backwards.
Uh-oh. Wow. Beep, beep, beep.
You got to look in the mirror. Look in the mirror. Okay. Watch the trees on the right-hand side.
Where mommy is, Gary.
Trees on the right-hand side. Turn to the right. A little more, a little more, a little more, a little more, a little more. Go slow, go slow. Go slow. All right. A little bit of brake.